welcome to our stream live audio. We're trying to write code, Python code with GPT. Today we'll try and create a game and hopefully we'll be successful. So the game I chose for today is 4 in a row. It's a fairly simple game. It's 2 players. Each one has to complete a row of 4. So let's just say hi to the chat GPT. As said in all my videos, we'll only use the chat GPT and also the PyCharm Community Edition, which is completely free. Just have to install it to run the code. And you don't even have to really know Python to do this, which is the magic here. So, hi, please create me a Python code to 4 in a row game. Okay, I just know from last time I asked him, he'll just create me a simple game which could run on like a very black and white screen. So I'll ask him to do it with a GUI. Please use GUI, which is graphical user interface. Let's see what it does. Let's see the magic. Okay, sure, this is simple code. And okay. Just does a dimension of each slot on the board. Play the board. Okay, the diff color will be yellow. I'm not sure it's the right thing because we should have 2 diff colors. But let's see what it does. We created the board game. Okay. Okay. It does the rows and the columns, which is okay. And let's see what else it does. It fills it with white. I guess the board itself will be white. And it has an action for placing the disk. Okay. Place the disk in the first empty row in the column. Okay, this makes sense. If you already put the disk inside, so we have to add another disk. And this is written so fast. Like I don't know any program who can program this fast. And even type this fast. Not even knowing what you're doing. And it's amazing to me. If it works, if it doesn't work, doesn't really even worth anything. Okay. What happened to the rest of the code? There's an if something. I am missing and out of the code. What happened here? I'm sorry about that. Self turned red. What happened here? I think it did something really strange because I didn't see the check win here anywhere. So switch turns. Maybe if self turn. Oh, so we might add this. Might work. Let's see. Check diagonal win. Okay. Checks for win. Does some kind of calculation here. We don't really have to understand it, even though it looks like all the names of the variables are understood. 4 in a row, game 4 in a row, root, main loop. Okay, so let's just copy these 2 parts. This is the first part. Okay, we'll copy the code. We'll open the PyCharm here. So what you would like to do is create a new project, call it Python project 3, or just 4 in a row or something like that. We'll create the environment, do everything, don't change it. Just your environment using virtual env is great. Well, let's open it in this window, and we'll get a main window which prints hi with your name or something, which we can just Control plus A and remove anything here. Let's just paste the code we already copied. and we want to also go back and paste the rest. Okay, so let's see the other code. On here you have the copy code button here. So let's just copy it and see if it works. If I think this should be the thing, if self-turn equals red. Something doesn't make sense here. I think we're missing something. We'll just ask him, give me the complete code. Okay, just asking for the complete code. For now, I'll just try maybe to, let's give it like the time to do it. Let's just enter here. If, I guess, it's a if else state, if self-turn equals yellow. Okay, I think this is the problem here. If the last term was yellow, it should now be red. I think this is what it means. Else, this will work. Stop it here, but I guess this is important. Code section. Switch turn self-turn red if self-turn yellow, else yellow. That will work. Okay. So that's the only thing we have to copy here. It's a one-liner. Just remove all the code I added here. This should be indented here. Okay. Let's try and run this here. So once you're here, you can press the run main here. We'll try to execute it. Process finished. Didn't do anything. I didn't like what happened here. I think what we did. Let's just copy this. And this isn't indented right. So let's just take it one step back. Another one. Yeah, that looks good. So definitely try to run this. Ooh, let's see what we got. 4 in a row. Let's pressing. Didn't work. Maybe we have to press here. What's here? So this doesn't work. Doesn't seem to work. Even the rows are cut on the side. So I have an idea. Let's ask Pi, this ChatGPT, please create this game using Pygame. Pygame is a library which already has most of the definitions. Might be easier for it. Yep. So it imports Pygame. Pygame is a package which has like support for a lot of games. So it would just build, and most of the code will be just in the Pygame itself. These are only definitions of the colors. Okay, 4 in a row. Let's see. So just the code looks a bit different. As you can see, it's like still building the window size, creating the window. And as you can see here, the created window already uses a Pygame display library. You can do whatever you want. And then run the game here. Okay, there is a Pygame event get. So it manages like the game itself, starting of the game and all this stuff. So just let it do its magic. Draw the game. And main game loop just means it's like running forever until we just close the window or something like that. We'll press the exit button if there's one. Place the disk in the first empty row in the column. Like this is the same logic as we saw before. Let's hope this time it will give us. I just talked and it didn't give us. Please write the missing code from the disk comment row. Okay. The rest of the code. You. Okay, now it's better. So let's just let it do its thing. Copy the first part of the code again. We'll go back to our pie chart. We'll erase everything here. We'll paste this part. We're starting here. So let's see. We got this. Okay. Just copy this. See if we're not erasing anything. So we're not indented. So press everything. Click tab. Another tab till everything looks fine. So let's try and run it. Okay, no model name Pygame. Import Pygame. So stand with this. We'll give you a solution. Install package Pygame. You want to press it and give it a minute. You'll see here on the right bottom side installing package Pygame. And what it finishes installing, this red line which shows there's an error will disappear. Hopefully, let's give it a few seconds. Still updating here or something on the bottom. I think it should work now. Yeah. Now let's run it again. Hopefully we'll get it. Okay, it didn't run. Didn't do anything. Maybe we should just run the game. Okay. Just add this part. supposed to have something to run the game at the end. So this still calculates everything. It's nice to, if you want to have a look and understand how everything works here and understand Python. For that, it could be interesting. So let's just copy this missing part after the end. This is something I added, which isn't needed. Yeah. Okay. Let's try and run this. Maybe we'll leave it. Yay! I think we're lucky. Oh, it didn't work. So I guess this ChatGPT is still work in progress. Not everything's working. So let's just give up and call it a fail for today, and we'll try another game next time. Okay, you can just ask him to regenerate it and give it the error, and it will probably build you the code again.